Welcome friends, this is Claudette with Stamping with Miss Puff. Welcome to my creative corner. Today is Quick Tip Tuesday, but before we get into the tip of the day, I want to introduce you to a tool that is by Stampin' Up. This is called Take Your Pick tool. It is a multi-purpose pick up and precision tool, and it has two ends on this. You have putty on this end that helps you pick up small little objects like your sequins, and then you have this other end which has double-ended styluses. This is a small stylus and a large stylus, and it locks right into place. And then it comes with another end that has a spatula and your piercing tool. And also they give you an extra putty end. It also comes with two protective clear tips for both ends, or clear caps for both ends. This you could purchase on my online store. If you go over to my website, www.misspuffcreativecorner.com, there's a link to my website over there. So on to the tip of the day. How do I store these loose pieces? My husband loved to chew the Wrigley's gum, and he saved the containers for me. These are nice and sturdy, clear plastic. So you could take the lining out. You could make your own decorative lining on that and make this a cute container. I myself like to just keep it clear. And I just store my pieces, extra pieces in there. So you could store several different things in here. So your sequences. Then, so what you could do is take your label maker and create yourself a label. So I created a label, and then you just stick that on and you store those. So that is my tip of the day. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day.